Welcome to a new flight report on my channel. Today's trip is pretty special, as I am flying with Austrian Airlines on their brand new Boeing 787 in their brand new business class from Frankfurt to Vienna. I am so excited to be on one of the first flights ever Austrian operates with their new aircraft. Follow me on my trip, explore with me lots of details in business, premium economy and economy class, and enjoy my video. I just arrived on the high-speed train at the train station at Frankfurt Airport and am now heading to Terminal 1. Terminal 1 is primarily used by the Star Alliance, so also Austrian. As Austrian is part of the Lufthansa group, I use the quick and easy check-in machines to get my boarding pass for today's flight. After that, I make my way to the priority lane at security and further to one of the 14 different Lufthansa lounges here in Frankfurt. Today I decide myself to check out the so-called Panorama Lounge, which is located near Gate A25. As you see, with the large windows, the Panorama Lounge lives up to its name. From the interior design, the lounge differs from other Lufthansa lounges. It somehow feels like being in a living room. Let's check out what they serve to eat here. Here we have the alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages. Here you find pretzels and bread, some salad with different toppings, dessert glasses and potato salad. And here is soup, sausages, and a vegetable bulgur bowl. And of course the candy bar. The food selection could really be better, but it's enough for a small lunch with a fantastic view. But the purpose of today's video is not to explore the lounge. We better should talk about Austrian's Dreamliner. Austrian's long-haul fleet consists of Boeing 767 and Boeing 777 aircraft at the moment. But these aircrafts are around 25 years old and compared to modern aircraft not very efficient. Therefore Austrian decided to acquire new planes, and they decided for the 787. Originally was planned to get these Dreamliners from Mama Lufthansa, as they will receive the Boeing 777X. But as the 777X are delayed, Lufthansa cannot send any 787 to Austrian. Therefore Austrian got Dreamliners, which were originally ordered by Bamboo Airways, but were stored for several years. Now these two planes were reactivated and are ready to fly. But at first the pilots and the cabin crews have to be trained on the new aircraft. Therefore they need a specific number of training flights, and the most efficient way to get these flights is to fly with the long-haul plane on short-haul flights, for example from Vienna to Frankfurt, Berlin or Dusseldorf. And here is our plane for today's flight, which has just arrived from Vienna. The reason why this aircraft is only painted white is that at the time of painting, there was the threat of a strike by the Austrian employees. Lufthansa therefore wanted to keep the option open, not to give the Dreamliner to Austrian, but perhaps to use it itself. It was therefore only painted white. But regardless of the painting, I can't wait to board the Dreamliner. So I leave the lounge right now and head to the gate. Austrian uses a 1-2-1 configuration in their business class with 26 seats. These seats are also used by Lufthansa in their 787, by Air Canada or British Airways. The seat offers different storage options, like this magazine rack and boxes in the armrest. In this storage box you find a USB port and also the remote for the Inflight entertainment system. If you travel with a partner, you can choose the middle seats. But to avoid to see foreign people next to you, you can use this divider. Before we depart, I also want to shed a quick glance behind the curtain. Here we have the premium economy class with 21 seats in a 2-3-2 configuration. Here we have the 247 seats in the economy class in a 3-3-3 configuration.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen from the flight deck. My name is Christoph Paul. You're getting on this flight to Vienna together with my first officer, Mr. Partner Horniak, and the entire crew. I would like to welcome aboard this Austrian Boeing 787 Dreamliners. We do hope you feel comfortable aboard the Bishop present flight. Thank you.
After takeoff, let's continue the seat tour. With this small touchpad, I can control the seat. You can call a flight attendant, manage the lights, and move the seat. It's possible to control the backrest and the leg rest individually, but you can also use the quick access buttons to transform your seat into a lie flat bed. Under the IFE screen, there is the large and foldable tray table, which I need now cause the service starts soon. At first, I get a refreshment tissue. The meal consists of a small salad with turkey breast. For dessert, I get this delicious pastry on vanilla sauce. And to drink a Coke and a water. Now let's have a look at the in-flight entertainment system. It can be controlled via the touch screen, as well as via the remote. The IFE contains over 300 different movies of several genres. You also can listen to audiobooks, podcasts, or music. This is pretty the same as it was on my last Austrian flight. But what I like the most is the moving map with lots of flight information. You might know that the Dreamliner does not have regular window shades. To darken the windows, you can select one of 5 different modes, and the window will darken automatically within seconds. And as you see, it's still possible to look out, but the amount of light coming in is extremely reduced. What's still missing in this flight report is a look inside the lavatory. What you notice immediately is that this one here has a window, which makes the room bright. Besides that, it's a normal airplane washroom. As the flight comes slowly to an end, please let me share my impressions with you. I really enjoyed today's flight in Austrian's new business class. The cabin crew was extremely friendly and attentive. I could feel that they were also very excited to get to fly this new plane. The business class seat is pretty comfortable, and I am sure it will allow you a relaxing journey, also on long-haul flights. If you like to get an impression of Austrian's friendly and outstanding service in business class, feel free to explore my trip report from Vienna to Los Angeles. Finally, I am sure that Austrian made a good decision with acquiring the 787 Dreamliner for their fleet. What's your opinion on Austrian Airlines and the new aircraft? Please, write me in the comments.
Welcome to Vienna. Please remain seated until the aircraft has reached its final parking position and the fasten seatbelt sign biscuit has been switched off. The entire crew would like to say goodbye to you now. Thanks for flying Austrian and Airlines. It was a pleasure for us having you on board today, and we're looking forward to seeing you soon on one of our aircraft. We wish you a pleasant remaining day here in Vienna. Remain safe and click on your journey. Thank you, Servus, and goodbye.
Cabin crew, please arms released.
Now it's time to leave this beautiful plane. I hope I will fly on the Austrian Dreamliner soon again on a long-haul flight. Please subscribe to my channel to avoid to miss further flight reports and also explore the other flight reports on my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.